The recent incident at the Grammys involving Will Smith and Chris Rock has brought attention to alopecia. What is it and can it be avoided? Here's Shamila Pullen with this week's edition of the Health Report.
Alopecia is an autoimmune disorder that causes hair loss. This, however, varies from person to person. Some lose their hair only in a few spots, others lose a lot. There are different types, but the most commonly seen in Jamaica is scarring alopecia. Dermatologist Dr. LLorenia Muir-Green says monthly she sees at least 15 cases.
If you have a scarring type alopecia, this is quite a concerning condition because it's like you have a medical, it's almost like a medical emergency because what happens is that you are losing the hair. The body is actually attacking the hair follicles, making the hair follicles fall out and replacing it with collagen, which is scar tissue. So as you can imagine, over time, you will lose the hair and the hair won't grow back.
The cause of scarring alopecia is unknown, but recognizing the signs early is critical.
What I tell persons, if you start having these very weird sensations in the scalp, I've had persons describe that they have crawling sensations or severe itching and burning. If you start to have something like that happening in your scalp, please seek the advice of the nearest dermatologist to you because you possibly could be having scarring alopecia, which is time bound. The longer you wait for it to be treated, the harder it is for the hair to recover.
Although the condition cannot be prevented, there are treatments.
For scarring alopecia, we tend to give them injections in the scalp, steroid injections, along with anti-inflammatory antibiotics or hydroxychloroquine, which is an anti-malarial. And those seem to help to keep the hair loss at bay or prevent it from worsening. We also give topical creams, such steroid-containing creams, which help to prevent the hair loss worsening.
With our health report, I'm Shamila Pullen wishing you good health.